up, it's your boy Eyow Stones. I'm back with another shandis, and they'll tell us mak'fika iDubane ishuu. Okay, wafethu sawumina lo Mr. Lukhulu, Mr. Nkidilele kuye bafethu. I'm back with another Q&A shandis. Khona la hard bafethu. Eh, ngizwile kandlebe ngeke ukuthi nani seniback with another shandis. But I keep flip first. So what I understand ukuthi as we grow up first abanye it's all inspiration ukuthi now first benze the same thing that we're doing now bakhule ngendlela yabo bayibuildela be fan base. But yeah, ngifuna ukwanda kakhulu first. Just want to say thank you to everyone who still stepped into the movement. Lukhulu liyeza first. Njengoba ngihlezi ngithembisa first. Shout out to Mfundo Andile behind the campus. Shout out to Zwelithini, the man behind the movement. First, Lukhulu liyeza. Stay blessed and shining. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Always. Eyow, what up? It's your boy Eyow Stones. I'm back with another shandis, and they'll tell us mak'fika iDubane ishuu. Okay, I'm here with.
Nkululeko Zwane nona mfethu.
Okay, I'm here with Nkululeko Zwane bafethu. So Nkululeko first, tell me nje if ugijima marathon and udlula umuntu number 2, unumber bani?
Ngidlula umuntu number 2 for sure number 1.
Number 1. Alright, so sami nje ukuthi makuthiwa ngithatha ikepisi eliyelo ngiliphose olwandle kulwandle olubovu lizophuma linjani?
Lophuma liyelo ngicabanga ukuthi amanzi ngathiwa ngalidaye.
Ngithiwa ngithatha ikepisi eliyelo ngiphose emanzini olwandle nobovu.
Lophuma liyelo still.
Okay, so tell me nje iquantum likhandwa yiphi car brand? Quantum.
Toyota.
Toyota yakiphi country?
Japan.
Japan.
Yeah.
Okay, so yiphi country vethu yakhanda amapizza? Yaqala ukukhanda ipizza.
I'm not sure but ngayibeka iAustralia.
Australia. Why cabanga ukuthi Australia?
Nje bethi laba bantu bethi ukudla isikhathi esiningi nje bakusondelene nabo kakhulu. Manje ngiyacabanga ukuthi bona vele even ipizza.
Okay, mfethu yawazi impahla lethu Washington DC.
Washington DC. Ngikho familiar ngayo.
Okay, yawazi www.
Yeah.
Qonda ukuthini?
www. Ngiyawazi nje just kodwa akwazi ukuthi uminani.
Please shout out to Instagram abantu labangifollow khona.
Ku NP Zwane. Ku TikTok ngithola lapha ku Nkululeko Zwane nakhona. Kodwa nje angimninganga ku TikTok.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu nje. Ole. Yeah, we out.
Think so.
Alright. Eyow, what up? It's your boy Eyow Stones. I'm back with another shandis, and they'll tell us mak'fika iDubane ishuu. Okay, I'm here with.
Snake.
Okay, so Snake, it's question yokuqala ngawo ukuthi ngamkhipha umjithimiso kwi-date.
Keep him in. If I've known him for a while, maybe.
Mhlambe for isikhathi esingakanani?
Oh wait, no, I changed my answer. No, I wouldn't.
Ngoba
Because why is he not taking me out this whole time?
yena kuphela mina keep.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Unless we're already in a relationship, then for sure.
Okay, so ngitshele ke qonda ukuthini SABC?
South African Broadcasting Commission, I think.
Oh yeah. No, so tell me but if gijima marathon ne udlula number 2 wena unumber bani?
I'm number 2.
Okay, yeah. Angitshele iyiphi country eyokuqala yenza ipizza?
Pizza. Isn't it Italy? Wait.
Sure, yeah. So ngitshele iquantum likhandwa yiphi car brand?
Toyota.
Toyota yakiphi? Khandwa yiphi Toyota?
Where is Toyota from? Hold on. Japan. Is it Japan?
Sure.
Okay.
So best advice you give about umjolo ngathini?
Angazi bethu angijoli mina.
Awujoli?
No.
Come back.
I might be the last person to give advice.
Okay. Please shout out to Instagram abantu labangifollow khona.
Oh, she does Aki. So she does Aki. That's my formal IG.
Okay. TikTok kwakho?
I don't have a TikTok.
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.
Always. Manje boy. Eyow, what up, it's your boy Eli Stones. I'm back with another shandis and uchaza mak'fika iDubane iTheku ishuu. Okay, I'm here with
Owethu.
yeah, mfethu always umuzo oqala mfethu ngawo ukuthi ungamkhipha umchithimise kwi-date.
No.
Ngobani?
Ish. If we're in a relationship, maybe. But if not, then why must I?
Okay.
In a sense.
Okay, so angitshele mfethu iyiphi i-country mfethu yokuqala yakhanda ipizza?
Italy.
Awe. So tell me iyiphi inkampani okay izwe elikhanda i-Toyota?
Japan.
So uqonda ukuthini u-Absa first?
African bank.
Ne kuleka first awungitshele first makuthiwa ugijima marathon ne
Yeah.
udlula number 2 wena
Yeah.
unumber bani?
Number 2.
Awe alright ke so angitshele first question ekugcina ne makuthiwa ikepisi eliyelo liphosa kulwandle olubovu lizophuma linjani?
Huh?
Ikepisi liyelo
Yes.
liphosa kulwandle olubovu lizophuma linjani?
Orange.
Ne lizophuma limanzi. Okay, please share it to Instagram or TikTok la bantu bezofollow khona.
Angina TikTok, but it's _Marzian Princess.
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Okay.
Alright, sure. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Eyow, what up? It's your boy Eli Stones. I'm back with another shandis and uchaza mak'fika iDubane iTheku ishuu. Okay, I'm here with
Toot. Qiniso.
Okay, Chen. So first questions first ngawo ukuthi let's say ugijima marathon ne and udlula unumber 2. Unumber bani wena?
Unumber 2. Unumber 2. Umbuzo utheni?
Ugijima marathon. Udlula unumber 2. Unumber bani wena?
Unumber 3.
Unumber bani?
Number 1. Number 2.
Number 2. Okay, yeah. Second question bafethu ngawo ukuthi iyiphi country bafethu eyaqala ipizza?
Italy.
Italy.
Yeah.
Wena?
Yo. Angazi.
Yeah, iyona Italy first, iyona Italy. So bese iquantum likandwa yiphi i-car brand?
Toyota.
Toyota. So yakephi Toyota?
Japan.
Sure. So Japan. So now umbuzo ke bafethu. Let's say ufake ikepisi eliyelo kulwandle olubovu lizophuma linjani?
Ulwandle lubo ikepisi yelo.
Lizophuma linjani?
Ilezophuma njani la?
Ikepisi.
Ulwandle libomvu.
Ikepisi liyelo. Lizophuma linjani?
Amanzi.
Limanzi. Showcase. So yini ke futhi kumele ibe manzi ukuze iyomise? Yini kumele ibe manzi ukuze iyomise? Isawuli. Alright, showcase. Okay, so please shout out to Instagram or TikTok la bantu bayakufollow khona.
Hayi.
WhatsApp kuphela. Alright, so keep love ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu. Always.
Cheating. Boy, I got a rumor. They said I got drip. I'm like a fish, a barracuda.
Eyow, what up? It's your boy Eli Stones. I'm back with another shandis and uchaza mak'fika iDubane iTheku ishuu. Okay, bafethu, just want to say thank you for travel episode bafethu. izifike eqineni. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. As I always do, Thembisa first likhululiyeza ngifikile khona la Howard ngizothi nje qaqa kabile kathathu sathi nje kuba mude kodwa kakhulu bafethu. Stay blessed and shining. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share always.
Just want a piece of the pie. Shall I see one with the guys? I ain't switching no sides. Spit on 180, they thinking I'm racing. Now I don't race, it's the paper I'm chasing. You go see Vicky, let go tell them I said it, the body gets scary. Boy, I got a ooh.